So this is the B12 Mercedes Benz, and I'm taking the head out, and the way I hold in the cam is putting a piece of paper down here, and that we hold the cams. So there's a piece of paper there right here that we hold the cams, and I take off the tensioner. It's going right here. Tensioner go right here. Take it out. So this have a pin that hold the timing chain. Guys right here. So we're using a screw. Put the screw in, and then you screw this nut in. Once you screw that in, that will pull the pin out. The same you have to do on this side. I'm doing the same on this side here. So then I go take all the screw out of the head, all the bolts, and like I said, I put a piece of paper down here. You take the cap out, put a piece of paper, put it back. That will hold the cams. And the next thing is that you have to wait at 30 degrees. The mark have to line up 30 degrees right here. You see this right here? They have to be facing each other. Mark. And the muffler, I pull it from the bottom because it's easier. Right here. Basically, I just have to take the head off. That's what it is.